Hi Nihongo Jeans, this is your Samurai Bachan and I have a kanji for you. So this is kanji. As you know, kanji is difficult, so let's study this kanji. It has 3 radicals and 1 main kanji. So let's study the writing of this kanji. So first we have the radical. We have this one. This is nisui. It's ice, or this radical is used in characters related to freezing or cold. Next, we have the radical wakanmuri. Wakanmuri, it means cover. So this is used in characters related to covering or covers. And the last is hitoyane, or radical for human being, and this is used in characters related to human beings. Okay, so and then we have the main kanji. The main kanji is kai, or shellfish. Okay, so let's now combine all the elements. First, we have the radical, which is compound radical. And then we have the main kanji. So this kanji is made up of ice, cover, human being, and shellfish. So we read this as shi. Shi means resources. So these resources can be monetary resources, fund, capital, money, material resources, materials, means, and natural ability. So for example, we have, I'm going to give you this example, Shizuru. So shizuru means to help or to contribute to. What are you going to give as your help or contribution? It could be money, it could be capital, it could be materials, or it could be a way, a solution, or it could be your own natural ability. So in summary, we have our kanji shi, which is made up of radical made up of 3 elements. The elements are ice, human, and cover. And then we have the main character, that is the kai. So as a combination, we have shi. Example, shizuru, or to help. And shi means resources. Okay, that's all for today, Nihongo Jeans. I hope you learned something today, or if you already know it, you were able to review this kanji. So bye bye for now, till next time.